Coconut plays a significant role in the agrarian economy of India. Apart from the importance of copra and coconut oil, which is widely used in manufacture of coconut processed products such as virgin coconut oil, coconut chips, coconut milk, desiccated coconut powder, coconut flakes, and many more. The sector was facing many challenges by adopting traditional methods to process coconuts. To eliminate existing limitations, Probi Products has introduced easily operable, cost-saving, and low-maintenance coconut and food processing machines for the domestic and export markets since 2007. Probi manufactures and integrates various coconut and food processing machines. Major equipment used in processing lines are coconut dehusker, coconut desheller, coconut testa remover, coconut pulverizer, coconut slicer, coconut milk expeller, virgin coconut oil press, multipurpose food dehydrator, coconut sap processing machine, tender coconut punch and cutter, tender coconut trimming machine, and many more. Creating reliable, secure, and stable technology solutions for clients is Probi Products' main area of focus. By incorporating innovative technologies, Probi provides the best machines and achieves complete client satisfaction. In addition, our expert team thoroughly checks quality parameters at every stage of production. Hot air dryers and multipurpose food dehydrators have been introduced for high productivity and quality processing. To improve the food preservation technique for quality and reduce wastage of horticulture and food products. Strong export growth for the manufacture of processing machines was fueled by the production of various products made from coconuts. Probi is currently exporting its processing machines to more than 14 countries with strong demand and positive customer feedback.
Hi, I'm Nagaraja, founder of Probi Products. From the year 2007, we are manufacturing various types of coconut and processing machines. We have supplied our machines to various locations of India as well as exported to 14 plus countries around the globe. You can contact us for coconut and food processing machines requirement.
All products manufactured at Probi are ISO certified. We strive to deliver exceptional products and services that meet the unique needs of our clients. By delivering the best service for 15 years, we have had more than 1,000 happy customers and 2,000 plus installations of machines with great feedback from customers. Discover the cutting-edge solutions from Probi Products that revolutionize coconut and food processing. Maximize efficiency, quality, and productivity with our advanced machinery and innovative technology. Take your processing capabilities to the next level and elevate your business. Probi. Contact us for more information.